This is the Rothy's high-top sneaker in bright white color. Made with recycled plastic bottles as any other Rothy's products. Clean, soft upper in bright white color. The tongue has a terry lining that adds an element of softness. The outsole is sturdy yet flexible in off-white color, which I think is a great color contrast against the bright white upper. Awesome design by the bottom of the sole. As you can see, it has a signature logo in there too. Blue line by the ankle line, and this time the heel tab got no padding, but it has that lining that has suede-like texture for smoothness. Machine washable and is priced for $189, which is about the same price as the RS01 Rothy sneakers. Those are all the basic features of this Rothy's high-top sneaker. Let's put it on and see how it feels. To be honest, I already wore this about 5 times in and out of the house. Definitely comfortable, just like other Rothy shoes that I got. Zero breaking in as usual. The toe box is wider in comparison with other Rothy shoes like their RS01 sneakers, which I think folks with wider feet would appreciate this feature. It definitely hugs your feet comfortably, is comfortable to walk with. It feels like it has a little arch by the midsole, definitely true to size. Love the whole aesthetic look, even though I was worried initially when I ordered it. Overall, I am amazed with the look, the softness, and the comfortability when wearing this high-top sneakers. So here are my overall thoughts about this Rothy's high-top sneakers. For those of you who have been following me, my review with Rothy's products, no doubt that I am a big fan of this brand. With that being said, I do really like this high-top sneakers. I love the look, love the wider toe box for roomier space, love how it hugs my feet comfortably, and I simply love the overall aesthetic look. I would put this now as my second favorite pair of Rothy's shoes, just because I did not feel any fatigue from wearing it for a couple hours in comparison with Rothy's RS01 sneaker, where I mentioned that I felt a pinch or fatigue by the top shoelaces area from wearing it for hours. Driving loafers is still my number one though, because I could simply put it on and take it off. Anyways, the only downside with the high top sneakers, just like most of Rothy's products, is the price. Other than that, if you're in the market or in the lookout of buying a pair of high top sneakers, I definitely and highly recommend these Rothy's high top sneakers. I think it's worth investing in these, even though the price is up there. And if I were to get a second pair, I will get the black one. So that's my quick review of that Rothy's high top sneakers. Question: have you owned a pair of sneakers or owned multiple Rothy shoes? If you do, comment below and share your thoughts about the shoes or which one is your favorite. That's it for me, guys. Stay sharp and stay amazing. You have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.